Namaskar, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Learners, in this series of my discussion, today I am again with optimization technique and some left part of direct search methods. So it will be better for you to see the slide and enjoy this lecture. So I'm trying to share the screen for your better understanding. And I hope we have already discussed 3 direct search techniques by simple search, Book's JB pattern search methods, Powell's conjugate direction methods. We have already discussed. And, one thing that is very much important for us to discuss, that is, if I am saying you that you have to apply simple search method, or you have to apply Hooke's J-Wells methods, or you are supposed to apply Powell's conjugate direction methods. Sorry. So, in which situation or in which case either of the 3 methods you are supposed to apply? Because your basic target is what? To optimize the problem, to optimize the function, either by taking a negative function or by using the differentiation of the function, by taking the first derivative or by taking the second derivative, as we have already discussed in the previous lecture. So the question is that there are three search techniques. Then one is simple search. Then in which stage or in which case this is supposed to be applied? I'm giving you example. At your home, there is a bicycle, there is a motorbike, and there is a car. It is not a random process that anytime you can use either of the vehicles. It depends on the urgency of the task. It depends on the situation of the task. It depends on the, effort level of the consumer or your capacity to bear the cost of the diesel. In the like scenario here is, if there are 3 direct search techniques, which one techniques should be applied first, or which one techniques is frequently used? Everything is not for your teacher, for your professors to, say here in this virtual discussion. Something for you also to contact your textbook, your reference books, and see that these are the 3, search techniques. So which one techniques is more beneficial for you? For that I am, again coming on the previous slide, and I am using this last paragraph of this slide. The simple search method employs a regular pattern of points in design space. A space means not universe. Formulated zone. Design space means it has already been planned by the industry that the turnover of the company will be in between 5 crore to 7 crore. And the benefit after paying all the employees, all the tax, all the other expenditures will be not less than 2 crores in the initial stage of the industry. So regular pattern of points means what? All the consequences are before you. And the design space is also before you. In that case, as a wise engineer, you are supposed to use simple search method. You should take some functions and then the function can guide you. Now this is the era of artificial intelligence, and as soon as in chat GPT you say something about simple search methods or direct search techniques, how it is working in the industry to formulate the problem, to design the regular pattern points of design a space, then automatically you will be finding so many details. But I am not sending you at that very particular place. I'm just interested to say you that recognize the problem firstly, recognize the situation firstly, and then after recognizing, take decision that in which stage or in which situation, in which direction you are supposed to move. So where the Hooke's Jevons pattern search methods now come here implies a fixed set of direction in recursive manner. I hope it is clear. Whereas the third and the last search method, that is Powell's method, is theoretically based method that was devised assuming a quadratic objective function. I am repeating again, Powell's method is theoretically based methods that was devised assuming a quadratic objective, and for such functions will converge a finite number of iterations, means repetitions. The common characteristics of the three methods is that computationally they are relatively uncomplicated, hence easy to implement and quick to debug. I hope it is clear, and this is going to help you, to discriminate of your own understanding that you have learned three different searching method in direct search process of optimization technique. So which one you should use first, which one second, and which one third. I hope I am successful in saying my point before you, and there is some interruption by electricity. So thank you very much for listening and enjoying this lecture. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.